Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you a beetroot smoothie recipe that helps to lower blood pressure. Beet roots can lower blood pressure, which may lead to reduced risk of heart disease and several other diseases. It is important to have your blood pressure checked regularly and get treatment if you have it. Most people with high blood pressure do not have any symptoms. You can have high blood pressure for years without even knowing it. Studies have shown that beetroots or beetroot juice can reduce blood pressure by up to 3 to 10 millimeters of mercury over a period of a few hours. The reason it works so fast: beets contain dietary nitrate, which your body converts into a gas called nitric oxide that expands blood vessels and aids blood flow. Also, dietary nitrates have been shown to reduce oxygen use during physical exercise by affecting the efficiency of mitochondria, the cell organs responsible for producing energy. The beetroot juice has been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increased exercise performance. Many of these health benefits are due to their high content of inorganic nitrates. Beetroots mainly consist of water, carbohydrates, and fiber. 1 cup of boiled beetroots contain less than 60 calories. Beetroots are a great source of many essential nutrients such as folate, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Beetroots are usually well tolerated, except for individuals who are prone to kidney stones. Consumption of beetroot or beetroot juice may cause urine to become pink or red, which is harmless. I hope that you enjoyed this smoothie recipe. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.